we are not getting that. We're not getting that kind of money, but we had to raise the bar. Make the show as effective as the original. So that was a challenge. Lesser time, lesser money. All things lesser, but we were much more motivated. And when you're against a wall, then you do your best. And that's what we try to do in this show. Is we put the best foot forward to achieve something which hopefully we all will be proud of.
What kind of inputs have you given?
My input is that I got the franchise to India.
I mean, your involvement in the show.
My involvement was getting the right people to be on the show. What I wanted was, the first thing I wanted was, I don't want geniuses on my show. I wanted good people on the show. Good and hard-working people. That was my first intent. कि मैं अच्छे लोग हों इसमें जुड़े हुए कलाकार, डायरेक्टर, राइटर जो मेहनत से करें और दिल से करें, कामयाबी अपने आप मिल ही जाएगी.
Was it difficult to get Anupam Kher and Shabnaz?
It was difficult to get everybody.
Okay.
I had to convince everybody. But where Anupam and Shabana are concerned, they didn't even ask, blink an eyelid. They just said, done. Anil, बोल क्या करना, कहाँ खड़ा होना, हम आते हैं आपके लिए. Even Rahul Khanna, he said, I'm doing it for you, Anil. And of course, it's a love for 24. 24 is an iconic show. People love 24. People love the story. People love the screenplay. And it's a show which has been loved all over the world. So they want this show to be successful.
Did you consult anyone while casting, or did you give any inputs while casting?
No, we had a professional casting director. And she's done a wonderful job. If you see all the faces which we have chosen are fantastic.
You must have been offered various reality shows. I'm repeating my question.
Yes.
You must have been offered various reality shows to host it.
Yes.
Why did you decide to debut?
I'm mad. And I've always been mad.
No, reality show, you can judge a show.
Yeah. I don't know. I think in my destiny I have to work hard. That's easy money. I have always tried to take out water from an empty well, not a well which is always full of water. So I go deep down into the well and dug the water out. That's been my career all my life.
Would you be interested in judging a reality show?
I don't know. You never know. But at the moment my focus is 24.
Do you personally watch any daily show? How much of it?
Yeah, bits and pieces, yes, bits and pieces.
Can you name?
All the shows, bits and pieces.
So are you happy with the outcome so far?
Sorry,
The trailer that we haven't seen, it was amazing.
It was amazing.
I think this is the I've never enjoyed working so much in my entire career of more than 36 years now. And I have never been so charged, so motivated, so rejuvenated, so excited. Never in my career.
If the international makers interfere with suggestions,
They have been wonderful. They have been a great support. That's the reason if I started my speech, first I thank them. Because they've been really, really supportive. Yeah. They trust me. They trust me.
How do you see TV as a medium?
I think that's TV is at the moment has got the biggest reach, and it has to be respected. And I don't know for how many years it's going to last. Of course, there is internet, which is banging on the door. So we all have to pull up our socks because that's the next big thing, where everything is going to be, watched on telephones or satellites or on internet, and that will be the future. But at the moment, it's television. Yes.
Anil, what keeps us so energetic? What keeps us so energetic?
Your beautiful face.
And that seriously, everybody I spoke today, every stoppers about you, all your posts.
And we have been seeing you must have given at least 40, 50 interviews now.
This is nothing. Imagine when I'm doing an international, assignment or an opportunity when I get, and when I'm there, there's a press from all over the world. So when I walk the red carpet, and when the press is there from all over the world, I have to speak to hundreds of them. Hundreds. One by one. But of course, there is a certain kind of discipline over there where they value the time of every journalist. So everybody is allowed to ask 2 questions, 1 question, 3 questions, and then when the PR tells them that it's time for the next person to, they listen. The problem over here, nobody listens. So that's the reason, things are done professionally and we can cover more and we can make everybody happy. So what happens sometimes that few people are happy and few people feel disappointed. But there is a certain kind of, the PR head is respected. So when she or he says, yes, ask 2 questions, so it is only 2 questions. They will say 2 questions. Every person who came and asked me 30 questions.
What is Sonam's opinion about the show?
She loves the show. That's why she was here.
People have a lot of expectations with 24 because it will be a path-breaking show for fiction when fiction is concerned. So does that make you nervous?
See, I'll tell you what, I've said that in the press conference also, that whenever I've done something which is out of the box, I've never felt nervous. I feel nervous when I do, a film which is a no entry or something which is very, very commercial or race 2. Then I'm nervous. I said I'm doing something which is very regular, which is against my grain. And how am I going to face my children, my family? Because, I tell them, stop this, who's going to support you all? Paise kahan se aayenge? So I have always tried to hit the balance, but I've always been very, very confident when I've done something which I believed in, which is out of the box, which is risky, which has got all the possibilities of that I fail miserably and people make fun of me. I enjoy that because I want people to make fun of me. So when they make fun of me, I work even harder.
And Mr. Bachchan is also coming on television with a fiction show.
That made me very happy. It made me very happy, and he coming on the show makes my stand of coming on this show even stronger.
Okay, last question, guys.
You entered social media by Twitter. How is the experience?
So far, so good. Fingers crossed.
Thank you all.
Thank you so much.